except for Hamilton. Dear Miss Imaginary Girl, Part 2. Dear Miss Imaginary Side Chick. Yeah. Touchable like the worm flying on cloud 9 for a minute. Hold up, let me put some pippin' in it with you. See, I beam up nice when them jeans up. So I'm trying to see if you and me can team up. Smile, the opposite of a mean mug. Stay fresh, so I gotta get a clean cut, so I can meet her halfway. Plus, she ain't ever scared of living. She ain't an Ashley or baby Spinelli. Ain't nothing you can tell me. We go together forever like peanut butter and jelly. Yeah, deal with the lemons like Jelly and Nelly. And keep it rolling, home, and I'm hitting the celly. What? You know about that? Tips for y'all. She got me singing like an automated Christmas card. It's hard. I know you got some doubts. It's cool, but we untouchable. So baby, what it do? Yeah. Together, we unstoppable. Me and you, we're untouchable. Together, we unstoppable. Unstoppable as a team, but you bad by yourself. With the way you got me feeling like you bad for my health. I put my right hand on the left side of my chest, and then I give you my word until my last breath. We a team in this thing that we call life. I'm having dreams of a scene where I'm in your mind, but ain't no rush in the thing, baby. Take your time because we gotta make it right. And so I say goodnight to the nightmares. Tell her I'll be right here, coaching in the corner when life throwing the fight fair. Any issues, knowing I'm seeing it through, cause at the end of the day, it's only me and you. Me and you, we're untouchable. Together, we unstoppable. Yeah. Me and you, we're untouchable. Together, we unstoppable. And even when I can't hear you sing, I'm knowing you next to me. There isn't a next to me because you the best to me. Your presence is something like ecstasy. I can tell this is our destiny. Now let me hear you sing. Me and you, we're untouchable. Yeah.